Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best toilet seat risers available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 6 we have DMI Toilet Seat Riser. This raised toilet seat cushion is constructed of 2-inch foam with tear-resistant white cover. This toilet seat riser effectively relieves pressure points and general discomfort with comfortable padding for covering hard toilet seats. The seat cushion is resilient for long-lasting use. This toilet seat cushion measures 12.5 inches wide and 16 inches long. At number 5 we have Carex Health Toilet Seat Riser. This hinged toilet seat riser adds 3.5 inches of height to your toilet to aid those with bending and sitting difficulties. Its weight capacity is 300 pounds. This toilet riser fits under toilet seat so you have an elevated toilet seat. Hinged toilet seat riser is a simple solution for those with bending or sitting difficulties. The elongated toilet seat riser fits most standard elongated toilets. At number 4 we have Carex Health Toilet Seat Riser. The toilet seat riser will fit round standard and elongated toilets. The hole in the middle is 9. The raised toilet seat with arms is 17 inches deep, 17 1/4 inches between the arms and a seat 15 1/2 inches wide. This toilet seat is designed to conform to body contours and is designed for those who weigh 300 pounds. This toilet lift comes with toilet seat handles that are padded. At number 3 we have Carex Health Toilet Seat Riser. A toilet riser that adds 3 inches of height to your toilet to aid the elderly seniors handicap and those recently home from a surgery. This safe lock system secures the seat to the toilet so that the toilet seat riser stays in place. The elevated toilet seat has a contoured shape and wide area for sitting. The toilet seat hole is 10 inches wide at the widest point. The raised toilet seat will not move after proper install. At number 2 we have Medway Toilet Seat Riser. The Medway Easy Toilet Riser is more stable than traditional raised toilet seats. It easily supports up to 800 pounds. At number 1 we have Nova Toilet Seat Riser. This hinged feature can lift the raised toilet seat up and down to clean the toilet base rim. Its design allows the original seat and lid to be used. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best toilet seat risers for your need.